Okay mga kaibigan, umpisa po ito ng fourth quarter. Dalawa ito ng Alaska Milk at Ginebra San Miguel. Lamang ng 4 ang Alaska dito po sa Game 5. Ito yung last play ni Johnny Abarrientos. Nakawala po kay Derek Rucker. And Johnny Abarrientos capping an 11-0 run by Alaska Milk para po tapusin ang third quarter.
Partner, time and time again, nakaka-penetrate ang Alaska. At yung gitna ng Ginebra San Miguel, yung depensa nila, wide open, especially when Alaska operates that spread offense. When they play the spread offense, yung dalawang malalaki ng Ginebra San Miguel have to play outside.
Tamatara, jump ball ang tawag ni referee Rivera. Nagre-reklamo yung mga taga-Alaska. Sabi, dapat foul daw kay EJ File. At ang ating pong, ito, replay, makikita ninyo, umiwas si Kevin Ramos. Nakakuha ni, ayun.
Sumabit yung kamay.
Oh.
But I think previous to that, nagkaroon na yata ng decision ng referee to call a jump.
Bong Hawkins with the tap. Nakakuha ni Jojo Lastimosa. Ayun, dinaan sa bilis ni Bong Hawkins. Alam niya, hindi niya kaya sa laki.
Good timing on the part of Bong Hawkins. Mark of a veteran.
73-69, Bong Hawkins nakawala. Good fake. Good shot. Bong Hawkins. At lamang ng 6 mga Alaska Milk dito po sa unang minuto. Dave Barrientos with a steal off the inbounds play. The most valuable player for 1996, Johnny Barrientos. At narito ngayon si Jojo Lastimosa sa loob. Nabitawan ng bola.
Derek Rucker wants to handle the ball. He's the leader on the floor. But Jeffrey Carriazo doing a good defensive job on Rucker. Carriazo almost taking Rucker out of the ball game here in the third period and entering the fourth.
Lamang ng 6 ang Alaska at 75-69. May tulak si Kevin Ramos on Marlo Aquino. Tatawagan siya ng foul. That'll be the second personal foul on Kevin Ramos. Unang team foul ng Alaska dito po sa fourth quarter. At palakpakan po yung mga taga-Alaska. Jojo Lastimosa is given some rest by Jeffrey Carriazo.
A lot of time left. 10:30. We are in the fourth.
Marami pang maaaring mangyari dito. Kanito. Ito si Marlo Aquino. Puposto lamang kay Kevin Ramos. Baldavid is open! Masyado malakas. Rebound play. Noli Locsin with a power rebound. Dalabas kay Derek Rucker. Rucker hinahabol ni Carriazo. Rucker gets away! Yes!
Partner, off-balance shot by Derek Rucker. Naipasok pa niya yung tira niya.
At 4 na lang ang lamang ng Alaska at 75-71. 10 minutes and 3 seconds to go sa larong ito. John Chambers pumaposte lamang kay Noli Locsin. Abarrientos at the baseline. Medyo malakas. EJ File with the rebound. Ito na si Rucker. Nakita si Marlo Aquino!
Ang ganda naman ang pasa. Yes!
Eksakto ang pasa.
Transition attack. And it's Marlo Aquino on the finish, the skyscraper.
Just a 2-point lead now by Alaska Milk at 75-73. 9.5 minutes to go. Johnny Abarrientos. Binigay kay Bong Hawkins. Jeffrey Carriazo lamang kay Derek Rucker. Carriazo. Nagkukulyahan si Chambers at Rucker. Chambers, hey! 24-second shot clock goes off. At eto nakikita niyo yung pasa. Yes. Yung eksaktong pasa. Tamang-tama lang.
Nice.
Isa pang angle,
Oo. Not exactly an alley-oop play, pero pwede na rin, ano ha?
Oo, basta eksakto yun.
Because that ball was not over the rim when Marlo Aquino took it straight into the hole.
Noli Locsin. Labas kay Rucker. Marlo Aquino, tutira. Uy! Not his shot.
Anong tira yun? Medyo...
Well, meron pang 4 seconds on the shot clock. Medyo nagpanik lang yata si Marlo doon.
Not the man to take a shot from the outside.
Tira mo ito,
muli. Ang layo ng tira.
75-73. Alaska with a 2-point lead. Baldavid hinarangan si Johnny Abarrientos. At yan unang team foul pa lamang yan ang Ginebra San Miguel dito sa fourth quarter. At una rin na personal foul ni Baldavid sa larong ito. Good evening, Philippines. For Vintage Sports, this is Ed Pixon together with Kenito Henson and this exciting game. Game number 5 of the best of 7 championship series between Alaska Milk and Ginebra San Miguel. Alaska enjoying a 3-1 lead in the series and a 2-point lead in the game.
Well, nakita natin kanina yung graphic. 6 turnovers by Ginebra San Miguel in the third period.
Yep.
And a nice steal
Johnny Barrientos again on the ball. Bong Hawkins!
A beautiful
Hawkins.
dish by Johnny Barrientos.
And Hawkins with 16 points in the game.
Partner, si Johnny Barrientos asserting his presence here in the fourth
Oh,
period.
yes.
He is taking charge for Alaska. He wants the championship tonight.
Lamang ng apat ang Alaska, 77-73. 8 minutes and 7 seconds to go. Derek Rucker. Lamang kay Jeffrey Cariaso. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Rucker offline. And a 24-second violation hits Ginebra San Miguel once again.
Under time pressure yung Ginebra.
Makailang beses nang inaabot ng last minute itong Ginebra San Miguel.
Well, Rucker is bothered by the defense of Jeffrey Cariaso. And in a situation where he has to play with 3 big men, Aquino, File, and Aquino, he cannot expect too much mobility and movement from his teammates.
Ang galing naman talaga ito si Johnny Barrientos. Nakita po ninyo mga kaibigan. Pinakamaliit na player sa loob ng hardcourt. Sumaksak sa loob.
Well, Johnny is taking charge.
6-point lead
Natin, yes.
by Alaska. Referee Bailey Desma holds play. May foul kay Jeffrey Cariaso. First personal on Cariaso. The second team foul para sa Alaska Milk here in the fourth period. Meron tayong timeout ng Ginebra San Miguel. Okay, mga kaibigan, Pinoy Rezo, hinabol doon sa loob. Lamang po ng 6. Ang Alaska, Johnny Barrientos na naman! Oh, Johnny is really a thorn in the side of Ginebra San Miguel. Barrientos with 17 points. And doon po sa 17 points na yan, doon here para kay Noli Locsin.
Partner, yan din ang discipline ng Alaska. Going
Yes.
back down on defense.
Oo.
The big man, Bong Hawkins, sprinting backcourt to try to stop
Hey!
the transition layup.
46.2 seconds remaining in the game. May timeout si Tim Cone. Yan po ang oras na nalalabi, mga kaibigan, sa larong ito. Lamang ng 7 ang Alaska Milk, 89-82. Noli Locsin with one more free throw. Cuts the lead down to 6.
Now, time is against Ginebra San Miguel. They need to stop the clock, give up the foul.
Alalahanin po natin, wala pa sa penalty ang Ginebra. Sean Chambers, ilalabas ni Bong Hawkins, and Kevin Ramos, talaga pinapatay na lang nilang oras.
And
Hawkins.
Ginebra is actually not even giving up the foul at
Okay.
this stage.
Ayun.
Yun ang foul.
Johnny Barrientos.
Pumasok pa yung tira, but of
Oo.
course that will not count.
Yes. Pero napakatindi na ginawa nito si Johnny Barrientos. Pinakikita po niya kung bakit po siya ang MVP. Ito, may mga nagtatapunan na naman yata ng points, but Alaska came prepared. Marami silang mga payong na dala-dala.
When Alaska had to step up the pace, Johnny Barrientos was in the game, and he was simply unstoppable dito sa fourth period. Actually, inumpisahan ni Johnny Barrientos yung kanyang pagbubulusok late
Oo.
in the third period when
Tama.
Alaska had that 11-0 burst.
Totoo yun. And Alaska just 22 seconds away from picking up their Grand Slam. Actually, kung tutuusin, pang-4 na sunod na kampyonato po ito
Totoo yan.
para sa Alaska dahil sila rin ang nanalo ng third conference last year.
And what a year it has been for the Alaska franchise of Fred Uytengso.
George Lastimosa, Kevin Ramos taps it. Ayun, nakuha na naman. Johnny Barrientos initiating the steal. Ang bigat ng ginawa po ng Alaska Milk. Sean Chambers with 2.7 seconds. Medyo nakakagulo na po. Pumapasok na sa hardcourt. Meron pa tayo 2.7 seconds to go. Okay. The referees telling the crowd to clear out.
A tremendous achievement here for Alaska.
Kanina, nagyayakapan po si Bong Hawkins at si George Lastimosa. Nakita niyo si Sonny Jaworski. Lumapit na kay Coach Tim Cone. but Alaska Milk wins the Governor's Cup for 1996.
And it is now in the history books as only the third franchise in PBA history to capture a Grand Slam.
The jubilation on the part of the players of Alaska Milk. It was not an easy series. Even if they won 4 games to 1, hindi po naging madali. Mahirap po at napaka-tinding trabaho ang ginawa nitong mga players ng Alaska upang makuha po nila ang kanilang Grand Slam and the 1996 Governor's Cup dito po sa PBA.
Ayan ang father and son, Bong Hawkins, Junior and Senior.
Oo. Yakapan po ng yakapan itong mga players ng Alaska. At ready na po ang ating kasama si Anthony Suntay with the winning